Sarayshıq, the heart of the Great Steppe, the golden root of our ancestors' civilization, a historic capital of the Golden Horde, the Nogay Horde, and the Kazakh Khanate. This sacred land, once a bridge between East and West, has been reborn today as the Sarayshıq Museum Reserve. From the very first step into the Sarayshıq Visit Center, time begins to unfold before your eyes. The spirit of history breathes through hyper-realistic images of great hands. A miniature model of the city evokes its medieval grandeur, and the shimmering sands bring ancient legends to life right before you. The museum houses a restoration laboratory for artifacts, an archaeological hall, a children's museum, an exhibition and conference halls. In the Hanordалы Sarayshiq complex stands the Pantheon of Hans, a memorial dedicated to medieval rulers and the great Kasım Han. An ethnographic collection here showcases the traditional lifestyle of the Kazakh people. Archaeological excavations of the ancient city are ongoing along the banks of the Jayak River. The medieval gates, fortress wall, fish processing facility, residential buildings, the hand stump and underground burial structures known as Sagana have undergone restoration. Newly discovered sites such as the cities of Karagayla, Ashesai and the Kilish caravanserais, once part of Sarayshiq administrative domain, have also sparked significant public interest. Sarayshiq is the eternal home of national spirit. Everyone who steps onto this sacred land touches the origins, feels the grandeur of ancestral civilization,